Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram device not recognized problem when we try to log in iPhone and any Android device. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Right now I'm using iOS device, but you can perform the same procedure in your Android device as well. Now what we have to do, first we have to go to settings, scroll, find and tap on Instagram and give all permission like background app refresh, mobile data, camera, microphone, tap on photos and tap all photos. Step, you will get rid of this issue. If you have a same problem, then we have to go back to settings and tap general. Here we have to tap on iPhone storage. Enter iPhone storage, find and tap on Instagram and tap offload app or clear cache in your Android device. Tap again offload app. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also force restart depend on your iPhone model. After the force restart we have to tap and hold App Store and tap on updates. Now update or re-download your Instagram newer version in your iOS device or any Android device. Then we have to do the final step, launch settings, scroll, find and tap on general and tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. That's it. By doing these easy and simple steps you can get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.